Yeah, one of the big challenges, of course, is our clients, wireless operators, and also fixed line operators, are prioritizing and investing in fixed line broadband and mobile broadband services, and the organization is not ready at all touch points. Most clients, they are struggling with this migration of customers to expect to use more online channels for their interactions. They also expect to have different devices talk to each other that are provided by our clients and also that are available at home for our for their customers. And so that integration, that convergence is a big challenge. So these connected homes are networks in and of themselves, and our clients are not always equipped across different touch points in call centers, in face-to-face retail locations, and their web services. They are not always consistent, they are not all that accessible, and it is a challenge to be consistent, and it is a challenge to keep a promise with their customers. And in fact, more and more, our clients are making these promises more tangible, and this is also creating a pool for these organizations. When they make these promises, they also want to stick to those promises, and it becomes then a battle cry. It becomes then a way to rally the frontline staff. So one of the big challenges they are also facing is the incentives and the training and the readiness of their staff at different touch points. The technology issues and the process issues have been talked about, and have been system integrators have been working on those for a number of years. From an organizational standpoint, one key challenge is being able to run a unified customer experience transformation program across all different functions and lines of businesses. So this is becoming a challenge, since there's a big question of who's going to pay for this. There's a big question over benefit management, and at the end of the day, some of the rewards may come quick, but then for some others, the entire transformation has to take place, and then you start collecting the benefits, the rewards of that. So one big challenge is also to stay the course, to be able to stay true to that vision and state of the customer experiences that they want to deliver. But all in all, I believe we're making a lot of progress, and also at Peppers & Rogers we are offering a number of solutions to overcome some of these issues or problems, challenges our operator clients are facing. So the fixed line industry are so dynamic that new challenges come up, and then the adoption has to be very quick. And yesterday's customer experience challenges are not going to be the same as tomorrow's. So because of this, what we are now learning is we need to be able to turn these programs into more modular, more quick benefit initiatives. The benefit management is critical, and those business unit owners that are standing to benefit most from these applications or initiatives, they need to find home for these investments in their annual budgets. And so for the payoff to come in that same fiscal year is a critical challenge. So compressing delivery cycles, also managing the benefits, turning the solutions or the initiatives into integrated technology, process, and people changes. Those are some of the challenges. But in dealing with this, we also wanted to approach this from another perspective. And so because all of this talk is in the context of relationship experience, and customers also have experiences with their handsets. These are mobile customers or digital customers, so to speak. They are mobile broadband hungry. They deal with their smartphones, and they've got very different expectations from the average customer. And these are the typical high value customers of our clients. They expect to see resolution much faster. They don't want to spend the time to talk to a live agent on the phone, or to even go to a website and check for the answers. They want the solutions to almost come to them in near real time. They want the operator to sense and anticipate some of those customer experience issues, and they expect resolution proactively to come from these operators. So we've done a lot of work more recently in that area, and we are working with a number of technology providers, business system integrators, to see how we can enable these near real-time contextual marketing or these sense and respond capabilities. But that's where I see the future. That's where we see the future of customer experience management to be not just about the relationship experience, but also about the usage experience, and to be more near real time and in the context of the customer, combining data from the charging systems, from the campaign management tools, and also from the customer value management systems in those customer data marks.